Hey there, Mr. Harvey, how was your weekend?
Given my newly found British accent, I will now be referred to as Sir Harvey. My weekend was quite fabulous. I went to go see the University of North Texas play football. How was your weekend?
I was tired after common assessments. I relaxed. Now I am ready to teach again. Remember, math is the only subject that counts.
I had such a stupendous time that I forgot what we are teaching. What are we teaching again?
We are teaching decimals, and today we will teach comparing and ordering fractions and decimals.
What is a decimal?
A decimal is a part of 1, based on the number tenth. The numbers can be written in tenths, hundredths and thousandths. There is also a decimal point that separates the whole number from the decimal.
What separates the whole number from the decimal?
Weren't you listening to what I was saying? I said, the decimal point separates the whole number from the decimal.
You did not need to be so rude. I will report you to the principal.
Please do not do that. I will lose my job.
I can do whatever I want. You just be careful what you say around me. Do the students know what fractions are?
Yes, we taught that a couple weeks ago. Fractions are a part to a whole ratio. The numerator is on top, and the denominator is on the bottom.
What if the numerator is greater than the denominator?
That is called an improper fraction. You need to change the improper fraction into a mixed number. Maybe one of your students can show you how.
Are there different types of decimals?
Yes, there are 3 different types of decimals. Please give Cavalier Cash to the student who can share with the rest of the class what those 3 types of decimals are.
What is the relationship between fractions and decimals?
Fractions and decimals are equal to each other and both belong to the rational number family.
What is a rational number?
Did you not go to college? How do you not know what a rational number is?
This is your second warning. Do not be rude with me. I will have you terminated from this job.
I am sorry. Please forgive me for my behavior.
You are forgiven. Again, what is a rational number?
A rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction and can be converted into a decimal.
What do you do if you are comparing both fractions and decimals?
First, you want to change all the fractions to decimal form. Second, you want to line up the decimals with the decimal point. Third, you want to add any naked zeros that are needed. And fourth, you want to rank them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. That depends on what the problem is saying.
Do not say the word naked. It is inappropriate. Rather, we will refer to those zeros as placeholders. That is the proper term.
I will make sure I do so. I am going to now see if you understood everything I just told you. So, Sir Harvey, explain to me what fractions and decimals are.
A fraction is a part to a whole ratio. Decimals are part of 1, written based on the number 10. They both are considered rational numbers.
Wow. You are very smart. Now, tell me what do I do if I am comparing both fractions and decimals?
First, you want to change all the fractions to decimal form. Second, you want to line up the decimals with the decimal point. Third, you want to add any placeholders that are needed. And fourth, you want to rank them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. That depends on what the problem is saying.
That is a very good response. I am so proud of you. Now you can go teach the kids.
Ha ha ha, I do not teach the kids anymore. My class is so great. The students have made me progressively unnecessary.
But remember, our goal is that all students have a mastery of 80 on all their objectives. We have to reach our big goal.
I will make sure we reach that. Thank you for reminding me about what we are teaching.
No problem. I just expect that you buy me lunch sometime.
I will make sure to do so today. What would you like from Quiznos?
I would like a classic veggie sub with everything. I would also like a Diet Coke along with a cookie.
Great. I will have it delivered to you at lunchtime.